Hi everybody, this is James, and I'm going to show you MuseAPI, the project that I've been working on with my team. So this is the live render site right here, MuseAPI.onRender. Oh, sorry, as it does this. All right, so we're here, but we're not logged in. That's okay. We're actually just going to go to the API docs first. Now, as you see, if we attempt to post, let's say we want to post right here on the song, and we're going to try it out. This is the song. It's going to say that we do not have access to it, right? And that goes the same, like, let's say we try to put a song by ID. ID right here. So let's say we try to put a song. Well, actually, let's. So we try to change it with one thing, but look, we don't have access to this, right? So in order to have access, we need to log in via OAuth. Oh, I accidentally. Okay. So we're going to go to login. So what it's going to do is we're going to go through here. We're going to authorize it. Now we're logged in as me, James Burdick. After that, we can go back over to API docs right here, and so we'll go through the whole process of everything, and I'll also show you error handling and validation. So okay, we're going to right here. We're going to execute, and it's gonna have a code 200, and it's going to show up all the songs here. We have a lot of Bohemian Rhapsodies. That's fine, and that's successful. Let's say we want to create a new song. Maybe we want the song. Maybe we want the song "We Will Rock You" from Queen. Then we'll execute. I want to get rid of this. And the data was successfully created. Let's get a song by ID, right? So our ID that we had, where was it? Song ID. Let's get this one from Bohemian Rhapsody. So let's say we have this ID, and we want to get a song by ID. All right, go right here. We're able to successfully do that. Let's say we want to update a song, and in my group, this is what I also worked on recently. Was I did put and delete routes, and as you can see, also making the validation rules for put. So we can put the ID right here, and we can execute. Well, let's say we want to change the length in minutes. We want to change it to 9 minutes long for some reason. You can execute that, and it'll say 9 minutes long over here. So that was successful as a code 200. And then now let's say that we wanted to delete the song. We can just delete that one right there. And the song deleted successfully. Now we're going to go through all the rest of them. So I'm just going to kind of go through it. But also before I go fully through it, let's say that I want to, first we're going to go through this. I'm going to show you that this one works, which it does. Forget all. Now let's say we want to post a new playlist. Well, let's say for some reason that I want to do it, but let's say like all I have is this, and I try to execute it. it's going to show an error of 422. It's saying that these things are undefined, that it doesn't have that. So we have error handling, right? But as we say right here, it was successfully created. And let's make sure we get that ID so then we can get the playlist by ID. We got code 200, which we were able to do that. We were able to pull that song, right? And then let's say we want to put, so we want to change a little bit for that song, okay? Let's say there's actually, we added a new song to the playlist. It's true. Oh, let's try that again. Yes, it is true, it's successful. And now let's say we want to delete playlist. It'll successfully delete right here. Now we're over here in artists, we're halfway through. So let's say we want to get all artists. So it's going to pull up all artists that we have. Code 200. This pulls them all. We got Queen. We got a lot of Queens. Okay, it's okay. We're big Queen fans. Oops, sorry. Let's get create a new artist. We have that right here. Let's just execute the ID. Right here. So that was successfully created. Let's get it by ID. So going to get it right here. Execute. There we go. We're able to get that ID right here. Code 200. We're going to update an artist. So we're going to go over here. Oh, wait. Apologize. I forgot to make a little edit. So let's say we want to not have Queen. We want to have I'm just blanking on the name. Let's go to Nickelback. Sure, why not? Change the name of the artist. Now it is Nickelback. I'm trying to find the change. Oh, sorry. It's being weird because of that. There we go. Nickelback. Changed it. Why did I pick Nickelback? I don't know. Alright, now let's get the ID. Here. Oh, there's one up there. So now we just deleted Nickelback. Alright, now let's get an album. We're going to get all the albums right here. Here's all the albums. Nice. Let's say we want to get Thriller. Okay. So we want to get Thriller. Okay. Let's post a new album. So let's try it out here. There we go. Album was created successfully. Let's get an album by ID. Okay, so we have an ID right here. There we go. Pulled Thriller right here. let's say we want to change. We want to change something. We want to update the song for whatever reason. The ID right here. Let's say instead of Thriller, we want to put the album. I don't know. How about for some reason there's 10 songs in this, right? So now we're gonna see that there's 10 instead. So that's correct. And now let's say we want to delete this. Put that right there. It'll delete the album successfully. So there's error handling. This is all the routes properly shown. We're able to log in, log out. We're able to log in, show um, authentication, and that's everything pretty much. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Goodbye.